Hi everyone, I'm back with another unboxing video, and this is the part 4 of the unboxing video series, book unboxing video series. And if you haven't seen the part 1, part 2 and part 3, then the links are in the description. Go and check them out. So in this video, I'm going to unpack and unbox these books. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So this parcel I have received from Flipkart, and let's see what's in it. So the book is very special. Okay, let me show you. This time I haven't got any bookmark. I haven't received any bookmark. So let me put this box aside and let me remove this paper. It's a nice packet, by the way. Anyway, so here is the book, My Journey by APJ Abdul Kalam, and I have read this book. This is an amazing book, but this book is for one of my students, and the original price of this book is 195, but I had to pay 103 rupees for this book. And guys, why you should read this book? There is a reason. The reason is that the famous line of APJ Abdul Kalam, let me read you these lines. Dreams are not those that we see in our sleep. They should be the ones that never let us sleep. Very famous, and I would say it's a very renowned sentence that we all are well aware of, and that is why you have to read this book. This book is all about APJ Abdul Kalam's childhood and the education and everything. So if you haven't read any book by APJ Abdul Kalam, then you should go for it. This is a very small book, I would say. It has 145 pages, and it will take you probably how many days? 2 to 3 days to complete this book. So go for it. This is the first book of today's unboxing video. Stick around, I have some other books. So next it's a Flipkart parcel. Okay, let's see how many books are there. Wow, this time I'm a little disappointed with the kind of packaging that Flipkart has done, but all right, books are in pretty good condition. No bookmark, but I will show you the kind of book. This is mine, by the way. 1984. This is a gift on Durga Puja, and I got a great deal on Flipkart, and that's why I did not, waste the opportunity. So another book is Wuthering Heights by Emily Bronte. This book is for one of my students, and anyway, so let me talk about the price of the books. This book cost me only 99 rupees, okay, and this one cost me 399 rupees. And now let me talk about the books. 1984 needs no introduction, very renowned book on internet, and this is a very famous book. And if I talk, it's a hardcover. And it is published by Fingerprint Publication. There is a bookmark. You can see it's quite traditional, looks pretty good, right? And look at the front, they're readable, okay, readable enough. And this is how the book looks, and a fantastic book, by the way. I'm so happy that one of my students gifted me this book. Brishti. Okay, I'm so happy. And look at this, golden shining age. It's so fantastic. And the if you look at the spine, just look at the spine. Oh my God, it's 1984 by George Orwell. It's a classic, by the way. I have no idea about the book. I just saw that this book is very famous. When you basically talk about dystopian novel and the literature, then this book comes in top 10. So I thought I should, have a copy. So I one day I had a conversation with that girl, and she decided to give me this book. So I'm so happy. And the next book is Wuthering Heights. This is also a fantastic novel, and it's a classic, by the way. And this one is for one of my students, and I'm so happy that I got a great deal in this big billion. So I know I just bought it. So now let's move on to the another parcel, which is from Amazon, and there are how many books? 5, 6, 7 books, I think. So let's see. And I'm pretty disappointed because this plastic package is not, safe for the books basically. So I'm pretty disappointed. By the way, it's a book set, and How to Win Friends and Influence People, you know very well, it's no introduction. And the final book that I'm going to reveal is none other than this one. Anne Frank, The Diary of a Young Girl, needs no introduction. Looks similar. Color is different, but looks similar. And by the way, the publications is same. It's Fingerprints. Okay, so this one, I had to pay for this one rupees 284. The actual price is probably 600 or 500. And for How to Win Friends and Influence People, I had to pay how much? I can't see actually. I think 150, I think probably 150 or 30. And for these 5 books, this is the book set, I had to pay, I don't know, but 452, I think 452. So I'll give you the price details in the description. Go and check them out. So let me show you the book now. First, I would like to talk about this book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. A lot of people don't know how to interact with strangers, and how to have an impression when you are having a conversation with somebody. And if you want to really influence people and win somebody, then you need to know some tactics that are used when you are having a conversation with anybody. There are certain things that we often forget to maintain. So this book will help you. It's a step-by-step process. This book will help you with a lot of different things that you need to maintain while having a conversation with a stranger or a person you know. So this book is that, like, if this is not a one-time reading book, it's a book that deserves couple of reading that you need to give, so that you can get the actual gems that this book contains. Okay, so go and buy this book. You have to read. I can't tell you what this book really has. All you need to do is to just buy a copy and read this book. So How to Win Friends and Influence People. Okay, so this is our 4th book. Now moving on to the next book, which is this one, Anne Frank, The Diary of a Young Girl. And let me remove this paper. Wow. It looks like I can't make you feel the kind of feeling I have right now. I can't make you feel, but the quality of the book, don't ask me, it's unbelievable. My God, it looks so gorgeous, spectacularly beautiful, and smells pretty authentic. Bookmark, matching bookmark, okay, and fronts are pretty readable, okay, and wow, fantastic. I still believe, in spite of everything, that people are truly good at heart. If you haven't read this book, go and buy a copy. I would request you to buy this copy. It will cost you around 300 right now, because when I bought this copy, it cost me 284 because there was a sale going on, and I bought this book from Amazon. So Amazon Great Indian Festival was going on at that point of time. So it's all about this girl's life when probably up during the Second World War or after the Second World War, I think Hitler, imposed some rules, and Nazis were being imprisoned, and so many things were just happening in a concentration camp and everything, and she was living with her family in a hidden place, and she just wrote some diary entries, and this is full of diary entries that you can get a chance to read and understand that she was probably around 13 years old, and the kind of wisdom she had at that age, so you come to, and the mental toughness and everything, so, and some humor you also get. So I think this book is all about a great biography, memoir, I think. So yeah, you can go for it. And guys, if I've made any mistake while describing the book, then please correct me. Okay. So the last book set, there are 5 books that I'm going to show you. Okay. And I was planning for buying this book. I had been planning before I finally ordered this book set. There are 5 books. A Little Princess, The Wizard of Oz, I think, yeah. The Secret Garden, Peter Pan, and The Little Prince. Okay, so these 5 books are fantastic books. Okay, so all you need to do is to just order these 5 books. It's a bundle, I think. So yeah, it's a book set. So if you are interested in reading children books, they are not children books basically, they're for all the ages, I think. But if you are interested in reading this type of book, it hardly has I think how many pages, 100 and 150 pages, I think. So yeah, you can go for it. This book set is amazing, looks pretty awesome. So let me show you like this. Yeah, so it looks like that. Okay, it looks pretty good. And so I have unboxed 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 books in this book unboxing video. And if you find this video useful, then please like the video, and before you leave my channel, subscribe to my channel for the future videos like this. And part 5 is coming soon. Part 5, there I will be unboxing probably 7 to 8 books. So please do subscribe and hit the notification icon because as soon as I upload a video, you will get notified. Okay, so that's it for now. Take care and bye.